I don't know what I'm saying, but it looks good. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Klaiyi Hair. They sent me another unit to try for you guys. Your girl's getting ready for her online date with Kinky tonight, so I'm ready. Now before we get into this glueless textured wig curly install, I said glueless, but if you want to see how I went from A to slay and let you know what I think about this one, if you can't tell already, make sure you keep on watching. Make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Klaiyi Hair. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. I am getting ready for a little date night. I have installed this color before from Klaiyi. I'm pretty sure it was from Klaiyi. It was like their peanut butter P430, I think, but it was a Jerry curly wig. This one is their kinky curly texture. Y'all know I love texture, so I'm kind of excited about how this is gonna look. Clearly, y'all already saw how it looked in the beginning, but I don't know yet, so. Y'all already saw the future. I think today, to give me more of a hold on my curl, but still keep it light, I'm gonna use a combination of my curl glaze and my mousse. I'm hoping it works out the way that I think it might. Like I told y'all before, this curl glaze can be a little heavy, so if you don't like your hair to be weighed down, I wouldn't suggest you use a lot of that product. I like to use it on my kinky curly wigs because it gives me more of a hold and less frizziness. My mousse allows me to have that fluffy 3-4 day curl pattern with, you know, a little bit more body in it. So that's why I like using my mousse a lot on my curly wigs in general. But like I said, I'm gonna try to use both of them today. I did go ahead and wash my unit with my wig shampoo and my detangler spray. If you don't have that, I suggest you go ahead and hop on that now. Y'all know I love my dish soap, but the wig shampoo and that detangler spray definitely helps this wig. It helps get that smell out, and it makes the hair a lot softer as well. You don't have to go in with any type of conditioning after you do those two products. So if you want to check those out, I'll make sure I link those down below in the description box. Let me go ahead and cut this lace off the back. My wig did come with the elastic band already attached. They do come with the hooks, so you know, Klaiyi may forget, but Klaiyi don't forget, okay? Okay. The lace is more on like it's like has like a brown tint to it. You probably can't tell. I can tell on my hand, but I'm still going to go in with my 330 powder and I'm going to tint around my hairline just a little bit. I'm going to wear this wig. I more than likely won't even use the hairline, so I'm not really pressed about it, but I'm still going to do a little something once I find my brush. It's always in my face. We'll be rocking this unit glueless, so we don't need any type of spray or glue to adhere this down. I may put on my wig grip if necessary, but right now I'm just going to use the band on the back. Scalp is oiled. Wig cap is secured. Ooh, it's cold, it's cold. Now my head is 23 inches every day, and this cap is fitting down pretty comfortable on me. It fits really well around my hairline. I like that. Okay, that's giving very much natural. Just clip this up really quick so I can get these ear tabs off. Because it's pretty much fitting perfectly around my head, I don't need to cut into the hairline too much. So that is always good. Cut the lace in 3. Put my glasses on so I can see because I was about to do too much. I do need to push my wig cap back a little bit. There we go. I'm gonna cut this off with the razor. When it comes to curly wigs like this, it's very forgiving. So if you mess up cutting off your lace or take out too much hair on your hairline, you can kind of fix that with how you lay your hairline down. Put my glasses over the lace just to make sure it's gonna sit flat. To melt my hairline and my lace, I'm gonna use my Nairobi mousse. Gonna work that into the hair. And if you're new to my channel, I swirl the hairs to give it a fuzzy, frizzy look around the hairline. It just makes it a little bit more natural for me. I don't do swoops, I do swishes, and that's not because that's shade towards people who do swoops. I know some people that do some bomb swoops. Hey Sherelle, I don't do swoops because I don't know how to do them. So I pretty much just swish my hairs around my hairline to give me that wispy look. Then the hairs kind of just fall where they fall, and I just wrap it down. They did send me a band. Okay, Klaiyi, y'all, you know what I like. And we're gonna wrap it down. This color is really pretty. It kind of matches my skin tone, but because it has the highlights, it kind of gives me a very like dimensional look. I don't know what I'm saying, but it looks good. This is a 13x4 lace parting space, so not too much on the parting space, but it's enough. If you want to do an up style or like, you know, different parting spaces, you can definitely do that. But the middle part has become one of my favorites on my curly looks. Make sure my tracks are covered because they were a little You can see those a little bit on top. This wig does have some layers. I feel like it's gonna fluff up really nicely. The hair did detangle really nicely. I didn't have a lot of, you know, friction or pullback, so you should not get too much shedding. This is how much shedding I got right here. This is a kinky curly texture, so you know, expect what you need to expect, okay? Nairobi Mousse first on top. Uh-oh. Look, I can't be wasting this product. Going through it too fast. God dang. Make sure I get my ends. And before I brush it all the way through, I'm gonna take some of my curl glaze. Ooh, I hope this works. I'm gonna put it on the top. Let me take my ring off first. Put a little bit of curl glaze, work it in my hands. I'm just gonna work it on top of that mousse, just to try to see if I can get an extra hold on this hair and the curls. I want to alleviate some of the frizz. I am really excited about date night, y'all. We haven't really had a date night since Kenny's been gone. He loves me in curly hair, but I wanted to give him a different color for the curls today. I figured I'd spice it up a little bit, cut my ends. The curl glaze does cause the hair to dry down a lot faster. I wanted to kind of make sure I clump the curls a little bit more. So I'm just adding a little bit more mousse to certain sections. Make sure when I do this side, I saturate it a little bit more. Oh, dang it, how am I getting this on my clothes? Work all that mousse in, start from the end, work your way up. A little bit more hair in the back, it's a little dry. Don't be scared of the product, y'all. Y'all see the difference in how this got together compared to this one? I had to go back in a lot and put extra product on that side. But this one, start with a lot the first time and you don't gotta do all that. A little bit of my curl glaze, about a quarter size amount is what I'm using. Work it through my hands. Put it on top, work it through the hair, use that detangler brush, comb it on through. All my products that I'm using will be linked down below. And if you don't know where the description box is, when I say description box, it's down below the video. So under the title, there's a section that says more. Click the more, click more again, the description box will expand. I know some of y'all are new and you know, you may not know that, so that's how you find the description box, okay? Clump them around the finger. Not a finger. It's almost Christmas. I'm very big into Christmas. The curl glaze is definitely gonna give it like a little bit of a shine as well, because the mousse can kind of dull the hair out, you know, a little bit. I can be honest about it. The curl glaze definitely moisturizes the curly wigs. I don't really use a lot of products or do a lot of product placement as far as, you know, hair products and stuff, because once I find something I like, what's the point in changing it? I mean, I like it, so that's why I'm using it. Oh, my hands are slippery. Hold up, purple one and a blue one. I guess they didn't have no matching ones. I'm gonna clip the hair back like this. And some of y'all ask me, why do I do this? I do it for my makeup, one, to get it out my face, but also when you clip it back like this and then it dries, especially with that mousse, it will kind of dry in this lifted state. So that's kind of why I do that. But I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse this hair. This is cute. This is cute. So the hair is still a little damp up in here, but for the most part, she is dry. This looks good. This little contraption right here, I like this. I like this. It gives me the lightweight feeling of the mousse with the definition of the curl cream. Oh yeah. Who would know this is a fast fashion wig? I wouldn't, because this looks good, but y'all know I gotta pick it, okay? You know I gotta make it a little bit bigger. I'ma try my best not to frizz up this hair. So let me take my time from the root, like that. Bring it like that. Go under, just like that. I'm not gonna bring it all the way down the curl because I don't wanna frizz it up. Make sure I open up those curls and get it up under there like that. I'm gonna have to pin this one back. Let me get my little clip right here. Let me set this right there. Ooh, take my time, take my time. Go, here we go. Now this is cute how this is, but y'all know I like my hair to be a little bit, you know, messier. So I will blow through the hair with my blow dryer in a second, but I still want the definition for the curls. Take my diffuser off of my blow dryer. I'm gonna put it on high and cool and blow through the hair. I feel like my track is showing. Hold up. Let me see. Yeah, it's showing up there, but don't worry about that, sweetheart. Fluff it up, shake it up, take these clips off. Dang it, I pulled that a little bit too much. Let me fix that. Oh, this mousse is killing me, child. You're killing me, Petey. Strong side. There we go. Let me get this band off to see what the hairline is looking like. Looking good, looking good. Move it down a little bit. My forehead is big. I can do that. Glasses over the lace. Use my contour to blend that in. Cause y'all know Ken, he'll clock me right on the camera. He don't care. Distance. He's still gonna tell me. Then I'm gonna get my brush. That's not that brush. This brush. Gonna brush it back. Gotta do a little spot check. Okay, okay. Am I date night ready or not? Listen, the way this came together, I am in love with these two products together. I get the fluff and the fullness without losing my definition. Hold up. It's new tray day, so my Invisalign is a little tight. Like I already mentioned, I tried the Jerry Curly version of this wig and it was cute. But if I gotta pick a texture, the Kinky Curly is definitely my vibe, especially from my fast fashion brands. I know I joke a lot about fast fashion brands and what they offer and what they don't offer, but when it comes to Kinky Curly texture, if you are a beginner, these type of textures are what you should go for. The higher quality wigs are definitely giving you more thickness and fullness, and they take a little bit more effort to manipulate. These wigs right here, they're not really giving you as much texture as they are the color and the curl. So instead of like a 4C, etc., you're mainly getting like a 4A, and it's a lot more manageable. So that's how I feel about that. My hair is not dried down all the way. I still have a little dampness in there, so when this dries down, I can definitely fluff it up a little bit more, but I like the shape that it has right now. Because I use the curl cream with the mousse, it's gonna hold this shape a little bit longer than if I just use the mousse. It's not giving me a lot of frizziness, so I do like that, y'all. Hold on, my wig's time push back. Let me bring that down a little bit. There we go, there we go. I did go in and fluff mine up a little bit more, but I also pulled mine to the front like this. That's where you're getting that fullness from. Hold on, hold on. That's where I'm getting that fullness from. If I pull it to the back, or push it to the back, that's how she's looking, but she's still full up in here. If you want to spice up the color for the summer and you don't really like the burgundy auburn look or the black and blonde look, you can definitely get into this one. The curls are gorgeous. The hair is fluffy. Like, this wig is just on point. It is a look, y'all, and it's bringing the heat too, child. Woo, wee. Is my AC on? This look good though. Kenny is about to love on me. I'm getting some gifts today because the looks are immaculate. I love it. But anyway, that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Klaiyi Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon code for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.